Hey guys, today we are making this super easy pie banner, really great for Thanksgiving, perfect for little kids to do. My 4-year-old put this together and she had so much fun, and all you really need is paper. Like, it comes together super, super easy. All right, this project could not be easier. To start, you're just gonna need a bunch of construction paper shapes. I've got a bunch of triangles cut out of this brown, and then I've got triangles cut out of purple, red, and orange. For these colored ones, I trimmed them a little on the sides so that they'll be slightly smaller than this. I want a little bit of the crust to peek through. And then I took some strips of the brown and folded them accordion style. Actually, my daughter did this. She had a lot of fun doing that. That's gonna be like our pie crust up top. And then I've got some thin strips because I'm gonna do a braided, like, basket weave crust design on some of the pieces, and then some cotton balls for whipped cream. And then it's really just assembly. I'm gonna show you what each one looks like. Okay, so this is what we have. You can see I let my daughter kind of paste these pieces however she wanted. We trimmed up the sides. I made 9 pie slices. So now we're just gonna put it on some twine. And I think I'm just gonna attach it using some tape, keep it easy. I will say, I did end up using some hot glue to keep these little crust pieces on because they were a little trickier to glue down, but all the rest we attached with glue sticks, including the cotton ball. And this is what we ended up with. I'm pretty pleased with it. My daughter had a lot of fun doing this. I think it's a great banner like this. You could also just keep the pieces off the string and you can put them on like a folded piece of paper, make a greeting card, or put one piece at each place setting to make like little table cards. Really cute. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked it, and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss all of my weekly videos. A ton of holiday stuff coming up. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.